Hey, watch this video and learn how to draw me. I'm Pete the Cat with Mr. Smith. Watch it right now and have a great time.
Make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video.
Hey boys and girls, I got a great drawing for you today. I'm going to show you how you can draw Pete the Cat and the perfect pizza party. So I need you to get some paper, pencil, erasers, whatever you got to draw with, whether it's crayons, magic markers, paints, whatever. We're going to sit down and I'm going to show you step by step how to draw Pete the Cat. So all you have to do is just watch.
Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party is a story by Kimberly and James Dean. It's about Pete having a pizza party with all of his friends and everybody wanting to put their very special topping on the pizza. I'm going to leave a link in the description of where your parents can find a copy of this book. Let's start out by drawing a smiling face, and now we're going to draw a frown connected to. It's going to look like a big eye, but that's going to be Pete's head. Then we're going to draw one triangle and another triangle on both sides for his ears. Next, I'm going to put a diagonal line and two curving lines, and we're going to make Pete's chef hat big curving lines for the top of the floppy chef hat. And now we're going to make some smiling faces again for Pete's two eyes and two frowns on top. They also look like almonds or football shapes. I'm going to make two circles and two smaller circles for his eyes, a straight line, and a U, letter U, for the bottom part of his nose. Now we're going to make some curving lines on both sides for Pete's whiskers, and I'll leave the number of whiskers up to you. You can make about 4 or 5 of them. Now I'm making a slight smiling face and two straight lines. It's kind of skinny. That's going to be his neck. Two horizontal lines on both sides, and that's going to be his chef apron, and it's going to curve down and out. And I'm going to make a horizontal line down at the bottom, and that's going to be the table. And we're going to put a capital P on his apron for Pete. Now I'm going to make some curving lines on both sides, and those are going to be his arms, and we're going to double it. We're going to do it again. And we're going to make some curving shapes for his paws, one going up and over and under. Now I'm going to make some slices of pizza. I'm going to start with the crust first. At the bottom, curve it over, bring it around. Going to do the side, little side part of it, and draw some pepperonis. I'm wondering, what is your favorite topping that you like on pizzas? We're going to do another slice on the other side, come around for the end crust, and do the little side portion, and put some circles for pepperonis. Now I'm going to make the large pizza, and we're going to make another circle around that, and we're going to cut it up into fourths, and we're going to cut it again, and one more. Now we already have two slices in Pete's hands, so we're going to have an empty spot for two slices. Now I'm going to draw all the little pepperonis. Now when you make yours, if you have something else that you like on pizza, you can draw that too. Well, I'm going to outline with my marker now, and then after that I'm going to color. I'm going to go over all of my pencil, and then I'm going to take my eraser, clean up all my little marks so everything is just right for me to start coloring. And I'm going to go a little bit faster while I'm coloring in. Now I'm making some banners in the back, and they look like little triangles kind of on a line, and we're going to color those different colors. Now once I start coloring, I outline Pete first, and then I start filling him in with the dark blue, and he's a dark blue cat. And I try to use my one stroke method when I can, and I try not to leave any white. Now I'm working on the outside in my background, in the outside around Pete. I'm starting off with this vibrant neon yellow, and then I want to come in with some different greens. I'm going to work on my banner line that has some reds in it, and then I'm going to add different colors to the banners. Start working on the pizza. Love coloring the pepperoni. And I like using different yellows and oranges when I'm doing the cheese. It makes it look like it has a little bit better quality to it. Not just one flat yellow. And that gray is the pan. And we have a nice bright red table. His apron is going to stay white. I am going to go in and color that. His eyes are sort of a orange. I need to put some blue in there for the eyes. In the description, I'm going to leave a downloadable coloring page that you can use just in case you have any problems getting started with drawing Pete. I think Pete might say something to us today, so let's listen carefully and see what he has to say.
Hey, this is Pete. I hope you had a great time learning how to draw me with Mr. Smith today. Please come back and watch him again while he does some more fantastic drawing for kids. See you later. Bye.